Hello, everybody. Welcome to this episode of Oil Reset Editions. Today we have a 2022 Hyundai Tucson with the 2.5. What we're going to do here is hit that button twice to turn the ignition on. Then we're going to use this menu button and the up and down, and OK is when you push in on that. So what we're going to do, hit menu first. We're going to go over to the wrench icon. We're going to go down to convenience. Oops, I hit the wrong one. Convenience, we're going to hit OK. Service interval, we're going to hit OK. We're going to go down to reset. Reset time and distance, OK. And now it's reset. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. It helps. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.